respect others.
Mm.
You are supposed to respect the people who like go down, you give them your hand up, don't like keep them on that here. Number 4, raise your hand if you need a question. That's exactly what you did a minute ago. Stand out. Just raise your hand. Number 5, no talking. That means no talking to your neighbor. Excuse me, I'm talking. I'm going to have to move you down to warning. Now, number 5 is no talking. That means no talking while I'm talking. That is not being respected. Okay, so I forgot to you guys this great. So, okay. So don't talk to your neighbor, the person behind you. Face the front. Eyes on me. Okay, now that we learned about that, we're going to learn about some stuff today, okay? Now, when you see somebody, when somebody asks you a question, what do you say? Oh, no, wait. Excuse me, raise your hand. Okay, we're going to be learning about some rules.
No.
Look at these 2 rules here.
Yes, man. No, man.
Look at these rules here. Okay. These are 2 good rules
Mm.
that somebody important made them.
Who made it?
Who is it? Raise your hand. Yes, who made it?
Mommy and Daddy.
Who made these 2 rules? Somebody very important who tried to teach a high school student who's a very, very, very great teacher.
Don't know who is it. Who is it?
You need to figure it out.
Mommy and Daddy.
Okay. This is who he is. His name is Ron. Is Ron. I forgot his last name. His name is Ron. Okay. His high school students were really bad. And he tried to teach them and teach them. And he had to tell them, they were so mad, he had to tell them, he had to make 55 rules. Okay? These are 2 rules, important rules that you need to know. When somebody asks you questions, what do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, great. And when it's not right, when it's not right, it's not true, what do you say?
No, ma'am.